Hey guys, so in this video today we're going to be mixing just tiny bits of mine and Kara's slime into one. I did only around the same amount and mixed it all into one, and I made a pretty cool consistency at the end of it. By right now it started actually looking really cool, and when the slime that I just added in, the pink one, was like one of my favorite. If I didn't put the camera so up Kara doesn't have as many slimes as I do, so she didn't get as big of a slime as I did. But we both ended up with pretty cool consistencies. Right here, Kara's slime actually looked really cool, like by how all the beads looked and how the slime was swirling and all the colors of it. It was a really pretty purple, blue, whitish kind of color. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below. I'm gonna insert a video clip, so bye guys. This video was from the other night. Me and Kara had one of my slimes and we were stretching it to make this really big, huge bubble, and it was like awesome.
Oh, it didn't really work.
When we laid it on the ground, it looked really cool, and when I popped it, like, I don't even know. It like went, ooh. And yeah.
Hey, you can't. Stuck on your clothes. What? Stop it.
It's on my one.
Oh my god.
Okay, well, I gotta get most of this up.
You stole it.
It was a hair and I felt it.
Here you go.
Let's do it some more times.
It's like, oh, it's only 10:40.
I'm just going to sleep.
What was that?
I don't think it's going to
There was a lot going on
The way I
in this video, and it's really long, but I don't care. So, yeah, look at that. Bam. And then just like what the heck? I got warmed up.
Wait, guys, listen to this.
Listen, ready?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I love that sound.
Ready? Constantly tears. Too aggressive. Talks with one finger. Plays with it so fast. Plays with it so slow. Okay, screw it. Let's just go back to our video.
I have slime all over my feet now. It's under.
Oh, they're actually white. But they're not. What is that here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Slow.
Oh, it's working. Let's save it. Okay.
I won that. You ready?
1, 2.
Okay. We're gonna try this with some different slimes. Let's see how it works. Okay. We got another slime now.
It's kind of, it's the same color, just more mature.
Okay, let's do it.
I heard him running around down there and I was dead scared, but he wasn't coming out.
Oh, and
I think you can
there's,
smell
like,
it.
That did not work.
yeah, there's not really, like, there's nothing in this slime. There's stuff all over the floor.
Yeah, I know. Well, actually not really because we picked it off.
Something big and scary that
It's
keeps
like,
coming out.
oh my god, now it's over my arm.
Bigfoot, but I'm telling you, it's out there.
Yeah, that's in the, this slime's not gonna work.
Everywhere. Ouch, that hurt my arm
I
ends.
know. Gophers don't like air going down their hole. Always come back up to the top and bury it back in. I'm just gonna wait. When he comes to try to bury it, I'm gonna stab him.
Oh.
Ground
Did you guys hear that? He's going to stab that gopher.
there.
We're gonna do this one.
This hole.
Again.
Mine.
And then we're just gonna stop. Come on.
But wait, stop. What is that noise?
Yeah, my mom.
I thought I could wait him out.
Okay, hold on.
He's got way more patience than I do.
Come on.
Thought I could smoke him out. That didn't even do it for it. So I don't know what to do.
We're gonna have a beautiful bowl. Ready? 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. I thought that 1, 2, 3 more shallow. Where's my hair?
Okay, let's do it one more time.
Actually lightheaded. I am going to
Or until it actually works before we can put it on the ground.
Don't ask what that was.
I have staked out the hole during the day. I've staked it out in the evenings. I've staked it out at night.
Oh,
I keep thinking of that little hole.
Oh, out a little bit. There you go. Oh my gosh, this is great. I already
oh
know it.
snap!
Guys,
Pop that one. Oh
well,
snap!
this is the
Oh my
slime that
God.
we used. It got pretty dirty after, but it made really cool popping noises. But you guys know what to do. Subscribe down below if you're new. Like the Can we do it video. one more time?
Oh,
If you enjoyed it, you don't have to like it. But I'll see you guys next
No,
video.
we're just
Bye.
gonna end it.